Hello people, you always was wondering because I am using two animation softwares programs. Both of them are free and open source. And Krita is open source and OpenToonz. But the thing is, you probably didn't know how to rotate canvas. Because when you right click in Krita, you can easily rotate canvas, but it is still possible to do the same in Krita in OpenToonz, because you can also rotate canvas like in Krita. But I will show you where to find that tool in OpenToonz. I have to publish video tutorial very quickly because I have to go to sleep. Okay, there's a tool called rotate tool. When you click on that, also it depends what module are you working on, are you working with. If you go to drawing, if you work with Toonz vector or Toonz raster level, I'm working with raster level. There's a rotate tool. Sorry that I'm using a high resolution and only 4K monitor, but I'm showing you. Rotate tool. You can rotate canvas in OpenToonz. I'm glad that I done proper research, because I thought that it would not be possible to do the same. But you can do the same. For some reasons, it's quite slow. When you hold middle mouse button, you can still move your workspace. I'm glad that it is possible to do that. I thought at the beginning that this tool was designed to move only single objects in the scene, but I done from a research. You can rotate canvas in OpenToonz like in Krita, but Krita has this wheel tool. I hope you like my video tutorials. Both programs are great, but it is easier to manage projects in this application. Okay, we will have to create a blank frame. That is why we did not see this lamp. You can only see lamp after when you created blank frame in next frame. In OpenToonz, it is little bit more complicated, because you have to do couple steps. Also, when you render the WebM format, you have to add the color card. But you can add like template, but it is little bit more tricky to set onion skin. But I will show you after when I published first video tutorial, depending how dark color will be, and onion skin may be more or less visible. The higher value here, the more transparent. I hope that you like my video tutorial how to rotate canvas. I'm glad, because it would be easier for me. I didn't use the rotate tool in OpenToonz before, but I done proper research.